Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Hey Google. So let's get into it. First of all, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap Google. And then we're gonna scroll down and tap Settings for Google Apps. And then tap Search Assistant and Voice. And in this menu, we're going to tap Google Assistant. And in this menu, we're going to tap Voice Match. Then we're going to toggle on Hey Google. And now it's on. If you need to train the assistant to recognize your voice, you can go ahead and click Voice Model and your Google Assistant will recognize your voice. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.